Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570 coming at you with a rather quick video, but it's going to be a announcement video. Sorry about the noise. I'm in a pole barn and it's raining. We've been needing this it hasn't rained over 10 days up here, so I'm not going to complain too much. But anyway, the big blazer is done. See how it's all polished up here. I got rock sliders on it. I put skid plates on the bottom, different wheels and tires. Changed the springs on the shocks, put different springs on it. I felt the other springs were a little bit too light. Then we got the FLYXM 24 Pro Series right here, and if you notice I got different wheels on it already. I just happen to have these set. I'm running these on it for now. I do have stuff coming for this. This is going to be coming in future videos. Coming for this thing to make it a little bit better. But I just wanted to get this out there. I got other projects. I'm going to give you a walk around. Obviously the blazer's all done. You can see it. It's got skid plates on the bottom. It actually sits a little taller with the different springs, but it still has the articulation, everything else that it should have. So I'm happy with that. The suspension actually flexes. So then we got the little guy here, and these are steel wheels, and these are cracking tires, and they seem to help. It's a soft, flexible tire. These are from oh my god, I'll think about it. I'm getting terrible with brain fade lately. Endura, there you go. This is all Endura stuff, so I'm sitting on here right now, and these are off my this truck. I'll go over to it. They're off this truck for now. I borrowed them off here. This is my little Capra. There you go. It's AX24 as well. That is all built up. That has everything aftermarket you could get on a truck. I'd probably double the weight of this thing. It's got steel drive shafts. It's got everything in it. 4 links, high clearance 4 links, 4-wheel steer obviously. It's got different bars in the back. It's weighted. The axles are weighted, so that's good. My Turtle's running. The Mutant Ninja Turtle truck here is running. I just put different tires and wheels on it. These are extra wheels for my Toyota Land Cruiser. I do have this cool boat. I'm trying to figure a use for it. It would go with the Land Cruiser. I just got to come up with a trailer. And this is what started the whole craze. I got my Tamiya High Lift Ford F350 sitting here. This actually does work and everything else, so everything's good on it. And down here we got my Grando. He's all good. They're just sitting here on the shelf. The Grando's sporting a set of 2.2 tires, beadlocks. Tires ahead. Then I got my Red Cat Gen 7 right here. He's all ready to go. All these winches, that winch, and the winch of my Land Cruiser are all functional. They all have working winches. This was a Amazon Prime special. It has a light bar, luggage rack, winch, 2-speed transmission, and the transmission in it the thing is so quiet when it runs. You don't hear any kind of gear noise. Then of course we got the Land Cruiser. This is my latest issue. I just got some batteries lined up here. It broke. Get this out of the way. You can't really see it. It broke the main drive shaft coming out of transmission to the transfer case, and I put a pin in it, but it's a dog bone. So what I did, I ordered up a CV drive shaft, to make your own drive shaft, and I'm going to change that drive shaft out and try to get the noise out of it. You can see this has the steel wheels on it. with a fake looking Warren hubs. It's got the winch on the front, looks like a Warren winch. Like I say, this does work. Electronics in it's kind of full, there's a lot going on. You can see I got my driver in there, and I got my gear, I got me a spare up there. So, but right now this is, it runs, it works. He said it's kind of I don't like the drivetrain noise, so I changed that. But I've changed out the shocks on this thing and springs. That's why you notice in the video it rides a little better. So it's a little taller too. The tires are kind of, don't look scale now, but we live with it. And I changed out the shocks. Those are Enduro shocks as well. I found they're 70 millimeter shocks, so what I got on it. So they're oil filled. They're a lot better than the ones that were on it. But you can see, then I had a subscriber who was also a friend of mine. He ordered this stuff up for me. I got a shovel sitting here. I got a gas can. This stuff I ordered up, these cases. This actually's got tools in it for the truck when I'm running. This is empty. That's like an empty kit. I got a kinetic rope sitting in there. My traction mats. On the other side, I got an axe. So, but right now I'm just going through everything, getting stuff ready for the winter. These are the batteries I bought. I bought 6 of them. I tell you what, those things are phenomenal. They work super awesome. Right here, that's the charger for the Blazer, because I'm running the Axial Traxxas 3S in it. Then I had this battery gave to me. I got a friend up here he's a young guy, has a car. I may just end up giving him this one. This is a nickel metal, and I'm getting, the only thing that runs nickel metals is this truck. I don't want to change this truck over. This truck is 15 plus years old. I built it, painted it, and everything else. I put them wheels on it. Actually, if I wanted to, these wheels here would fit on it. I could put these on it if I wanted to. It's lifted. That's the way it's made. I don't think they would look good on there, but then I got all my stuff. This is the box the Blazer came in. There's all my parts. So, but I just wanted to put this out there, letting you know that there's going to be a 3-part series on this thing. I know it's a Pro, it's got a lot of stuff, but I'm going to change a lot of stuff. I can't leave stuff alone. There'll be 4 things for sure that we're going to change on this. I'm going to let you know right now, tires and wheels will be one of them, but you'll have to wait to see them in the video. But I got different tires and wheels coming for it. I did order a set. They're in the car behind me. They're being sent back. They were terrible. They wouldn't fit on here. They were rubbing on the planetaries. The tires were hard as rocks. And so I'm just sending them back. I didn't want them. They didn't look good either. They look cartoonish. They were supposed to be like beadlock looking rims, and they weren't. They were terrible. And so I'll post the link to where I got them from. So if you go there, don't buy his stuff. They weren't that good. So he was nice, but I told him at this point I'm going to send them back and just get a refund, because I put a few bucks with it and I got some Enduro stuff coming. So that's what's going to happen. So anyway, guys, I just want to put this out there. This is a rather quick video for me. Nothing going on today. No running, no ride and drive videos. I was going to take the big red Blazer out, and it's raining, so can't do that. Going to take this one, and unfortunately I only got 1 battery for it still. Sometime next week the stuff should start rolling in. I'm going to wait till I get all the stuff for this Blazer. Then I'm just going to well, I may do it as I get it, because that way I can do a video on each part I install. But anyway, guys, just want to let you know, nothing cool coming in yet. So I got some ideas I'm working on, and I'll we'll know next few weeks. But as always, this is Trail Rider 570 signing off, saying goodbye and God bless. And I haven't forgot the Ranger rides, the actual rides in the woods up here. Can't ride in the rain. And actually, as the rain lets up, it dries up the dust in here. I may just go do a quick ride for you guys. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye and God bless.